Take a ride in the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, OnStar, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.